So guys, we have a tad bit of a problem. And if you haven't already guessed it, it's definitely about the Wi-Fi. But that's only one of the problems. So I actually wasn't planning on posting this video, but the whole reason that I'm making this video is because I did say that I was going to upload Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So I am going to stay to that and be consistent on YouTube. So I had to improvise, make this video, because now that we are at the new Airbnb, actually it does have hot water and it does have Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi, the upload speed is about 0.6 megabytes per second. So it's really slow and I have to upload videos from my phone. It doesn't work on the computer and I let my phone sit there for like 8 hours. I actually put it on my Instagram live stream that I was doing. The video was taking 8 hours to upload. And the video that I just did on my photography story is it's pretty long. I'll say that, to say the least. So there's no way that it would upload in time, although it is done and I'm just waiting for it. And although this house is beautiful and super nice, it has definitely been a crazy trip. Our entire trip here. We've just ran into so many bumps and so many problems here. And on top of that, it's raining, storming, and it's flooding like all over the island right now. Not to say, we're having a great time traveling. Anyways, I'm in the fridge right now, so gotta stop wasting cold air. Anyways, besides the fact that we don't really have Wi-Fi and it's kind of raining in a bad season here, I am really glad that we found a way to upload with my phone and just let it sit like all day just to upload a video. So I'm glad it gets to upload and not just sit on my phone anymore. And on top of that, just planned out a few more things on our next location, which is a surprise. If you know, drop a comment below, or if you have a guess. And there are a few projects that I am working on and a few people that I may possibly be collaborating with pretty soon here. So hopefully that goes through. Overall, it's been an all right time here. I'll definitely do a video on Crete and what my final thoughts are of it, because I think there is some hype and stigma around Greece itself. And I have, I think, some different opinions on what I think about the island and the whole country itself, which I'll make a video later. On Tuesday, I will be posting my photography story that will be going live. So really excited to share that with you guys. I'm actually glad that I finally got it into a video, because it was hard for me to kind of put the whole story together of how I got started and how I'm doing what I'm doing today. So maybe you guys will find that video enjoyable and inspire maybe one of you to start if you're looking to start. I know that is the reason that I made the video. Somebody reached out and asked me to make that story because they're looking at getting started. Almost forgot about this one. So I was thinking about some videos and ideas that I can film, and I thought of an idea that might be really cool. I don't know how well it'll work out, but I want to take 52 cards and have 52 people submit ideas for videos or crazy things maybe to film. Put them on the deck of cards, and each day I will draw out a card and make a video on that. So comment below if you have any. I will be doing a poll on Instagram or a little question thing, so you guys can drop them on there. I'll leave my Instagram linked in the bio. Definitely go on the Instagram, check it out. I do a lot of live streams now, and I'm wanting to do more of those. Those are pretty fun, meeting everybody that is on my Instagram. So if you're not, go follow me on Instagram if you want to see day-to-day stuff. And I will see you guys on Tuesday with the video of my photography story. Catch you then.